Hello, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. Today we are back on Wojak Finance, guys. I made a video about them a while ago, and today I have something special for you because we will be actually buying an NFT. Some of you were requesting me to drop an update on them, and I actually really like the project. So yeah, I will be getting myself an NFT, and I will be also showing you how to start getting rewarded with this NFT, because you can actually earn some nice rewards with Wojak Finance simply by getting their NFT. So yeah, before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it. So if you want to get like better introduction into the project itself, basically it's Profile2Earn kind of project. Anyways, if you want to get more information, you can go ahead and watch my last video, and today we will focus on making money with it. So what we're gonna do first of all is go and mint the NFT. So what we have to do is go to the mint page right here. You can also buy them on Rarible. This is an open marketplace, and as you can see, the floor is about 0.4 Ethereum. That's for how much you can get yourself your NFT. But well, I'm gonna mint it. Let's see what I get. Maybe I get something cool. But first of all, let's also have a look at what it says here. So basically, with your NFT, you can earn about this much in WOJ token or Watch token, and essentially this is how much you get daily. It also shows you the level, energy, age, and all of that. So yeah, let's, without further ado, just go ahead and hit mint button, and I'm gonna confirm it in my MetaMask. There is $8 fee right now, so not bad actually. It is minting, and as soon as the transaction comes through on the Ether scan, yeah, so it did, I should be getting my NFT. In order to go ahead and check that, you have to go into your, yeah, here it is, confirmed. You have to go to your profile here. So you go to app, Wojak Finance, obviously the link down below in the description. You switch your network to Binance Smart Chain. So give me literally 1 second. So once you're done switching your network, all you have to do is go to my profile section right here, and what it does here is it basically displays your balance, and it also shows you the reward. And that, well, actually I got a really cool NFT, honestly. Damn, that's nice. So here you can see your NFTs, and in order to start making your money, you have to activate your account. And you might ask how to do it. Pretty simple. You just set this as your profile picture on your Twitter. So you will get this activation code, which I need to put right there. And as for the activation code, the way it works is you get it from an old active user. So you can get it from your friend, and then you can give it to your other friend, and so on. However, if you don't have such an activation code, you can just use this chat box that you have in the right bottom corner, as you can see, as I do, and basically just tell them that you need an activation code. So I just DM'd them saying, hey, I need activation code, and they will send it to me soon. And as soon as I get it, I will basically activate my profile. Alright guys, so I just received the code. As you can see, your account, I'm sorry, your account is active. It took like 2 minutes, I think. So yeah, big shout out to Kylie, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you so much for your help. So yeah, if you guys don't have the code, then you just hit this button right here, and it will pull up the chat. And well, it is late night when I'm recording this video, and the support is still available. So yeah, pretty nice and pretty easy. So the next step is basically setting up your profile. What you have to do here is download the picture, and it's a PNG format, so it is pretty easy to download as well. You put your Twitter handle here, so in my case it will be @alexandrus. I don't know if I need I guess I don't. And then I download the photo, so yeah, give me 1 second for that. So after downloading it, as you can see, I set it as my profile picture on Twitter, and now let's go back here, let's hit the next button, and now we need to verify that. So let's hit the verify, and it should verify me because I have the picture set. So yeah, as you can see, I've been verified. So essentially for this verification, you just set it up as your profile picture on Twitter, simple as that. And now you can start getting your rewards. As you can see, there is 3 steps: social platform, verify, and congratulations. So yeah, we hit done. And now you must have 5 or more followers to earn rewards, which I do. I have 40,000. If you don't follow me yet, then you can go ahead and do so. And now you have to keep your NFT as your profile picture in order to start getting your rewards, and then you can claim them right here, and you can later on swap them, for example on PancakeSwap. I'll show you that also in just 1 second. So as you can see, if an NFT age is 90 days and bought from the mint page and has not been transferred or sold before by the owner, the Wojak's platform will repurchase it with the exact purchase price. So you earn rewards, and after 90 days you can also sell it back. So I mean, that's pretty cool if you ask me. It's up to you if you wanna, you know, get multiple NFTs or something and link them to your Twitters. So yeah, as you can see, the process is really simple, hassle-free, and really easy. And then you can also flip your NFTs on Rarible. As you can see, there is a whole marketplace. They have over 600 Ethereum volume, so people are flipping these NFTs. The floor is 0.4, so again, if you want to buy for cheap, then you can hunt some good deals. Honestly, the NFT that I received, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cool. So yeah, that's how you do it. Set it up, verify, and you are good to get the rewards. And then once you have your rewards, you can go to, for example, PancakeSwap. This is how much one token is worth right now, and they are growing really fast in price, in value, and in volume as well. You can go to PancakeSwap and you can simply swap it for whatever you want, really. You can swap it for BNB, you can swap it for USDT, you can keep hodling and take advantage of the price growth, which even today is 12% up. So yeah, it's up to you what you will do with your NFT and what you will do with your tokens. And yeah, that will be it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then smash the like button. Obviously comment down below your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.